What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Today, well, for one, we're fashionably late as usual, but two, today we're going out cruising with all the GTR owners. Now unfortunately, I'm gonna be taking the Z today, and how do I say this? The GTR is broken. Let's get out of here. Actually, I almost forgot. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Lance. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, especially if you guys want to see cool automotive content here in Hawaii. This channel is for you. So as I said earlier, we are fashionably late as usual. If you guys catch yesterday's vlog, you guys know I got home extremely late. So I didn't really get to take too much note of it yet because of the fact that it was already late at night yesterday. But like right before my way home, for some reason the GTR just started throwing codes out of nowhere. Now I'll put up some photos or whatever. Three main concerning ones is a Trans P0607. Now they're saying that one of the most easiest things is just a dying battery, and I've already had problems with the Optima yellow top batteries before, so I'm praying to God that it's just that. But it also put another code, I can't remember off the top of my head, but it has to do with the turbos, I believe. But I'm really hoping that it's not picking up some slight oil leak, because I'm pretty sure the turbos are leaking a little bit of oil. Or if not, I'm just hoping the bearing isn't off either. So it's gonna be a whole whirlwind of surprises. So the rest of the guys already got started on the first leg. We're gonna go and take the back roads because it's just a little bit of faster route and it's more direct. So enjoy. Get a quick walk around R33, R35, R35, Super Silver, R32, R32 in the back, got the Nismo. I'm telling you guys, bro, this setup right here, it's godly, straight up godly. And the Liberty Walk with the other 1,000 horsepower. Plus a Nismo, and then of course the granddaddy Liberty Walk. And we also got some visitors today too. We got not one but two RX-7s. Well, for one, it's hot, but I just had to stop by and just look at this setup, guys. Oh my gosh, like literally when you have this kind of a build, oh my god, jeez, literally two white GTRs with totally different setups, wide body Liberty Walk, and just godly power for this one. Also with the details of the other ones, you guys look at the brake calipers, that thing paint shifts. That's so freaking cool.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I had to break away from the GTR fam. I didn't record it, but I went ahead and just everything is all good now, or for now I should say. I reflashed everything, I reset the ECUs from what I'm just being an internet mechanic right now, but from what the code says, it's just an electrical problem, and mainly it'd probably be the battery. Now I don't know why, literally all the gauges, like all of it, just trying to, literally GTR has so many gauges, but the only thing it doesn't have a voltmeter for the battery. So I'm gonna stop by Aaron's real quick, and hopefully we're just gonna read the battery. I'm really hoping that it's either just a battery or the alternator, or just being that the GTR is just very, very sensitive, that it's just some weird fluke or whatever. But I went ahead, reset the battery, I reset all of the mapping, I reset the ECU, and I'm praying to God it was just a fluke. For those of you guys that are watching today's video, I was gonna go all around the island with the GTR guys, but there's two reasons why I had to break away. One being that I forgot my wallet at home, so I just don't feel right driving without my wallet, and two being the fact that the GTR was throwing up some codes. I just had to come back home, so maybe that was just a sign for me to check the car. So wish me luck. Let's head to Aaron's. As we head to Aaron's, I already went ahead and did the first check, so we're able to change gears throughout every single gear in automatic. But now, I'm not gonna pound it unfortunately, but we have to make sure we can go to 6 or at least hit 6 gear. So we're in manual. First gear, second gear, pulling fine. Give a little boost. Still okay while we have rain dripping through. Fourth gear, fifth, and sixth. All right. Slowly eliminating things that could be wrong, but so far so good. All right, the rain's about to calm down, but let's just give it a slight boost test. Still runs fine. Let's do one more quick baby pull just to see. Oh, still running fine. Back at the Hellfire garage as usual. Oh, you gotta come here when we have problems. So GTR should have at least 12.2. Oh no, 14.2. Running. 14.8.
14.18.
Okay, that's not bad. As you can tell, there's a lot of corrosion on the connections though. So that's probably it. But everything got reflashed. I reflashed everything, and it seems fine.
Sounds good. Alternator is running, so I mean. Could have been just a fluke.
Yeah, I hope it's
Hopefully
just a fluke.
Yeah, bro. Like when you text it, it's kind of funny because like I heard this ding at like 3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, yeah.
I was like, what the hell? I had like sleep. And I woke up and I saw the thing. I'm like, damn, dude, did you like go to someone else's house to check on their car?
No, it was mine. But yeah, it seems okay. I put some boost load on it already. Because what is it supposed to be when it charge?
Full charge should be 12.8 without alternator load on it.
Okay, let's try it.
So like anything under like 12 point, I think it's like 2 or 3 or something.
Yeah, I think 12.2
like,
is
no
like the
bueno
lowest.
already.
Whee! 12.6.
It's like midlife, I guess. 'Cause
We
we
did-
didn't replace this too long ago, right?
Yeah, we only replaced it.
Had to be last year.
It was like last year. Yeah. When it had to have been last year before we put on the dyno.
Yeah.
Because we replaced this before it was fried. So I had AC running, I had radio running. Only thing the lights weren't on, but still that's a lot of extra load on it already.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope I'm just being. Yeah, I made it here, and I'm gonna take it to work. Crazily, but just a sneak peek of what Aaron's gonna be putting on. I think I don't know if I showed you guys like a few vlogs before, but got a new bumper for the Mustang. Since we have the engine bay open, we are overdue on switching this tank out because I bought a tank back in, when did we go to California? We bought it back home in May. I picked it up in the mainland and I still never put it on. We still gotta get a carbon fiber manifold cover. Maybe change that color as well over there. All right, so me and Aaron were just talking about how this car has come a long way. Credit to this guy. He's done a lot of work with this car. But we were just talking about one day making this car 1,000 horsepower. Now, the one thing about 1,000 horsepower now for GTRs, it's like
Walk in the park.
it's just like a walk in the park. Yeah, it's like you don't even you can't even compare. But there is a shop, I believe it's called Workhorse Performance. They, I think for like close to $56,000 or $60,000, you can get a turnkey 1,000 horsepower build for a GTR. Built motor, upgraded turbos, and upgraded transmission. And if you really wanted to beef up your transmission, I think it's an extra $10,000 or $15,000. That's money that clearly we don't have. But in the world of like GTRs and stuff, for $60,000 for a 1,000 horsepower warranted GTR,
That's crazy.
that's a good deal. I think that's a good deal.
Hey man. And that's the thing, is like $60,000 is another car. Yes.
Yeah.
But you're, you know, whatever your GTR you have, you're basically stacking a brand new powertrain into it. It's a new car.
Yeah.
You know, for 60,000 bucks, I'm just kind of like, okay, you refresh the entire driveline.
Right.
And warranty.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And on that note, for those of you guys that's looking to buy a GTR R35, if you can find a clean titled shell, it's a lot cheaper to do that and then go get, and then put in the new motor, new turbo, trans, everything. You can run Motec if you want. But like, to me, I think nowadays with the GTR being like a little bit up there in price, even for the first gens like mine, I really think your best bet is to, if you want a higher horsepower build, either one, buy one already built, or two, buy an older gen shell with a clean title. And then, I mean, if you don't care about the title, then fine. But then after you buy a first gen shell, then you put all your driveline parts in. And then you're only being it at what? Maybe less than 100 grand, and you're pushing 1,000 plus horsepower. A man can dream. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, TM system check. No codes. All right. Well, oddly enough, usually when I have car problems, guys, or if like anything related to automotive problems, if it rains and if I do something to a car or fix the car while it's raining or after the fact, then usually everything will be okay. So what am I saying? I guess I'm saying that every time it rains, it's a good sign that everything is gonna be okay. As weird as it sounds, I know I'm driving the GTR in the rain, literally squeezing my butt, praying to God that nothing goes wrong, which I think I want to say that it was just a weird fluke for the car. So let's cross our fingers. We're gonna take this car to work today. Yes, we're gonna drive it in the rain because this car is just basically being treated like a 4x4 now. I'm just gonna, you know, just drive it whenever I want to. Somewhat dry, so let's give a little bit of boost. Oh. Okay, that's not bad, that's not bad. Drop down another gear. There's some rain. Okay, little boost. Okay. Seems to be running fine. And more rain is back. All right, let's give it one more go. Oh, okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I'm pretty convinced. I think it was just a fluke with the whole transmission check and everything. All right, we got some freshly paved roads. Give a little gas. Oh, okay. Definitely was a fluke. Bro, check out this OD, man. That's so sick. Well, I just got to work. I guess I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I thank you guys for watching today's video. We had a close one. I really thought the GTR was like broken, like to the point where I would have to maybe pull out the trans, but I guess not. So that's big relief off my chest. Like honestly, guys, I could not even think straight when I was driving up North Shore earlier today, and now finally we have the car. From what I understand, it's properly running, like everything's all good. Put some boost load on it, nothing crazy. The ultimate test is probably going to be later on when we turn on the car again tonight, but I'm pretty sure it's going to check out okay. But for the most part, everything seems fine. My coolant temp is just rising though. Interesting. Okay, well, oh no, now it's going down. Was at 200, now it's at 199, now it's at 197. Okay. Oh, I think I'm just getting oversensitive and I'm just getting a little too OCD with everything now. Okay, now it's going to 195. Okay, let's just end today's video already. But if you guys made it this far, again, I thank you guys so much. If you guys haven't done so either, smash a like button, and then I will see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.